Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 3.11, Asking Questions with Or. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Sad. Happy. Young. Old. Short. Tall. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. Am I young? Yes, you are. Are you young or old? I am young. Is he short? Yes, he is. Is she short or tall? She is tall. Are we sad? No, you're not. Are you sad or happy? We are happy. Are they tall? No, they're not. Are they tall or short? They are short. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the picture. Say the question. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. Is he sad? Am I happy or sad? Are you short? Are you short or tall? Are they young? Is she young or old? Are you sad? That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.